Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer. Today, we're diving into the world of mechanical gaming keyboards with a unique twist, the AULA F2088 Typewriter-style mechanical gaming keyboard. With its retro typewriter design and a slew of exciting features, this keyboard has certainly piqued our interest. Stick around as we explore its design, performance, and everything else it has to offer. First things first, let's talk about the design and build of the AULA F2088. One of the standout features here is the retro typewriter-style round keycaps. These double-shot injection-molded keycaps not only provide durability but also give your setup a unique, vintage flair. The ergonomic wrist rest ensures comfort during long gaming or typing sessions. Plus, the matte finish aluminum alloy panel adds a touch of elegance and durability to this keyboard. Now, let's dive into the keyboard's features and functionality. The AULA F2088 offers a plethora of customization options. With 19 different lighting effects and adjustable brightness, you can create a visual spectacle that suits your style. The volume control knob, which also controls lighting effects, adds a convenient touch. And speaking of convenience, the multimedia shortcuts provide quick access to essential functions, making your work or gaming experience seamless. The heart of any mechanical keyboard lies in its switches. The AULA F2088 doesn't disappoint in this department. It features blue mechanical switches, known for their tactile feedback and clicky sound. Whether you're gaming or typing, these switches offer a responsive and satisfying experience. Plus, the anti-ghosting technology ensures that every key press is registered accurately, even during intense gaming sessions. Wondering what you'll get in the box? Let's take a look. Inside the box, you'll find the AULA F2088 Typewriter-style mechanical gaming keyboard. A comfortable wrist rest, a keycap puller for easy cleaning, and a detailed user manual to help you get the most out of your keyboard. To wrap things up, the AULA F2088 is more than just a keyboard, it's a statement piece for your setup. Its unique design, customizable lighting, and tactile blue switches make it a fantastic addition for both gamers and typists. Thanks for joining us today on UK Pro Reviewer. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and insights. If you've had any experience with the AULA F2088 or if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, type away with style and precision.